everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make an apple crisp. We're gonna start off by making the topping. In the bowl, I'll add oats, salt, flour, and brown sugar. Then I'll mix well to combine. I have melted butter here, then I'll pour this in. Okay, let me take the rest of the okay. This is gonna be our topping, guys. Alright. Then I'll put this aside. Okay, now let's do the filling. So in here I have about 7 cups of sliced and peeled apples. Then in here I'll add some sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and lemon juice. Toss everything together. Then we're gonna spread our crumb mixture over the apple mixture. Just like so. You just spread it all over. It's gonna be so yummy, yummy. I can't wait. Our apple crisp is ready to be baked. We're gonna pop this into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. There you have it. Oaty apple crispy, so yummy. Look at the crumb topping. So let's try it. I'm gonna serve this with an ice cream. Let me just dig into it. Oh my God. Try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out on the comments down below. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, honey for my heart.